Did you know your Android apps might be tracking you right now, even when you are not using them? Today, I'll show you a hidden Android developer option that helps protect your privacy instantly. Hey everyone, welcome back to JK Future Tech. If you care about privacy, security, and stopping apps from spying on you, watch this video till the end. First, open setting, go to about phone. Now tap software information. Now tap build number 7 times. You will see message saying developer option enable. Go back to setting, open system, then developer option. Scroll down and focus on this option careful. Tap on running service. Here you can see which apps are running secretly in the background. If you notice suspicious apps, uninstall or restrict them. Option 2. USB dubbing awareness. Only turn USB dubbing on when necessary. Leaving it on can allow unauthorized access to your phone. Option 3. Background process limit. Set background process limit to at most 2 processes. This reduces hidden tracking and improve privacy. Extra safety tips. Always download apps from trusted source. Check app permission regularly. Avoid unknown USB connection. After using these settings, your phone becomes more private, secure, and efficient. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to JK Future Tech for more Android privacy and tech tips. Comment below if you want more hidden Android tricks.